Continuing to work on Fur Elise. Hopefully you watched and practiced from that other video that I sent. Now what I want you to do is, again, get your pencil out, get your paper for Fur Elise, or get your book so that you can write down some of the things that I'm going to show you. So we're going to look at page 2 this time. I'm going to share my screen so I can show you the music, and I want you on your music to find measure 25. We're going to look at the bass clef in measure 25. Now you're not playing the notes that are on the page. It's hard for me to see your hands, but I'm pretty sure that right here that you are playing, let's see here, I think you're playing F, A, and B flat. And it's not F, A, and B flat. Look at those notes. It's F and G, the interval of a second right there on the bottom, and B flat. And you're also not using the fingers they suggest. Now I know your hands are small, but I think that your fingers can reach. Here's what I want you to try. I want you with your pinky to play F, and then your thumb to play E. That's an interval of a seventh. So you can reach that with your hand. So you're coming from the measure before. Your pinky should be on F, B flat, D, B flat, D, B flat. Keep your pinky on F and reach up to E. A little crunchy sound there, okay? That's a major seventh, that crunchy sound. Then your pinky is going to stay on F here. And then finger 4 will play that G, and then add B flat with finger 2 if your hand can reach that. Okay? It'll take a little practice because you're not used to doing it. But see if you can. Look carefully at the fingering there. So work on that chord right there. I'm going to play just a little bit so you can hear. Okay? I'm going to start at measure 23. You listen. Listen carefully. Here's the part. Do you hear? That's the correct chord. And no pedal there. Okay, so I want you to work on fixing that, and then let's see here. Let's work on the ornaments. Do you put up a Christmas tree at Christmas? This is an ornament. Now, if you look carefully, you're not doing a bad job at all. You're actually doing a very good job. Up here above the ornament, it shows you how to play it. So with this C right here, these 3 notes will go with it. It shows you right there, sort of like a triplet. So right on that C, it's sort of like a 1 lolly. And then the last 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use shading to help you for sure see it. Okay, since I can't listen to you right now, these purple ones go with the purple one. And then I'll use green. The green ones go with the green ones. Listen. Okay? Do it one more time. Okay, you'll be able to practice that and get that no problem. It's just going to take some practice to get it smooth. And so now I'm going to go back again to measure 23 so you can hear it. Look at your music and listen. Don't play along with me. Listen. Point at your music and watch. Here comes that chord in the left hand. Did you hear it? Now I'm going to continue. Now right here, we need to look at one more in this video. We have another ornament. For now, you're skipping it, and that's okay. but you're ready to add it. You're playing this, but we're going to add this. Take a look at it. So this C is represented by that, okay? And so what we're going to do is, let me play it. Well, let's just look and see how it lines up. Let me show that to you. Okay, so right here, this C is going to hold all the way. Notice that this is an 8th note. Okay, so an 8th note is equal to 2 16th notes. Okay, so that is equal to that. And then it's tied to this note. Okay, so going to keep holding. So let me use green and I'm going to color it in. Let me get my box here. That C is going to hold for all of those right there. Like that, okay? So now what we're going to do, listen to it again and then I'm going to break it down. Notice, let's look up here. We go down and back, D, C, B, C. So instead of just a D, we're going to play D, C, B, C, and then D. We're doing that all around this note. It's almost like, here, let me use red, and I'm going to write it in for you. Let me write little notes. Then you can copy it on your music. D, C, B, C. Right there, okay? So right with this E right there, we start playing the D. Da, 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 da. And we try to land on the D right there. And then we hold that, and after we play this F, that's when we play this right-hand note. Do you see? It lines up after the note. Look, that's a 32nd note. It comes after. Now listen to that measure slowly. And then we go on. Listen one more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and one last time. Now, if you don't understand it, I want you to chat me back and let me know, but I think you've got it. So this is D, C, B, C, all right before that D. And that D goes right with that note right there. And then this note comes after that note right there. Okay, there you go. That's a lot. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to stop this video because I bet you're eager to practice. Have fun practicing Fur Elise. Be careful. Check your finger numbers. If your hand can't reach something, let me know. And I can give you an alternate finger number, or I can give you something to leave out. I'll let you know what to leave out. But practice with the metronome as soon as you can. You want this to be steady, slow and steady. A lot of people play Fur Elise wrong. And I don't want you to be one of those people that play it wrong. I want you to be one of those people that play it well. On this second page for now, just don't use pedal, okay? Have fun practicing Fur Elise. And I'm going to stop this video for now, and I'll see you later.